Governor Peter, the governor of Enugu State. Listen, you know, say your face look innocent, but you are not innocent. Obigo, you have bad mind. So, Governor Peter, you have mind. In this time around, in this time, look at what is happening in Lagos. Igbo shops and Igbo house were demolished by Jagaban and the Lagos State governor. They collected their land back from Igbos, the land that Igbos spent millions of naira bought from them. They are using political power to collect it back from them. So, governor of Enugu State, Governor Peter Mba, so you have mind, in will be. So, in will be. In this time, we Igbos are begging our brothers, our sisters, for them to come back home, Igbo land, to develop Igbo land. So you have mind to demolish more than 200 houses. Governor Peter, you are a very wicked governor. Listen to me. Other pastors may say it shall be well with you. Other prophets may say it shall be well with you. But I say that it shall not be well with you, Governor Peter, the governor of Enugu State. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of your political power. Listen to me, Governor Peter Mba. All the people in Enugu State ganging up. God of God that created heaven and earth will judge all of you one by one. The God of Igbo land will judge all of you one by one. You people are very wicked. Bad mind. We are begging our brothers, our sisters, for them to return back home, to develop, to start building their houses, do investment in Igbo land because of what is happening. Sometimes, sometimes in Lagos State, the same thing. So we are begging them for them to return back home. Now, look at what you are doing to them. Governor Peter, look at what you are doing to your brothers because of political power. Governor Peter, if you are not the governor of Enugu State, will you have the power, the authority to do this thing that you are doing? Because of your governor of Enugu State, you decided to do whatever I want to do. I tell you that there is a greater authority that passes you. Jehovah Elohim Adonai will judge you. I'm telling you the truth. Do you know how many people in their houses in the war? Do you know how many of them now have stroke? Many of them have died. Many of them don't have money again to build a house. But you destroy their house because of your governor of Enugu State. Listen to me. I'm warning you, governor of Enugu State. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of your political power. I'm not afraid of your authority. Listen to me, because I'm operating in authority that's greater than your authority. Listen to me, governor of Enugu State. God Almighty will judge you and all of you people ganging up. God of heaven will judge you people. What shall we profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? What shall we profit you? How many years God follow is no child poor? How many years God follow is no child poor? When you come out from that seat, you will have the authority to do this kind of thing that you are doing. Do you think that all of us will keep quiet and see you persecuting our brothers, our sisters? What shall we profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? That house, that place that you are destroying the houses, about the problem of Enugu State. Governor Peter Mba, that land that you are destroying now, I want to ask you whether that place is the problem of Enugu State. Is it the problem of Enugu State? Governor Peter, Obuni destroy their houses. Your problem will get finished. Will your problem finish for you to destroy these houses after you demolish all these houses now? Slaughter them, because as you are destroying the house, many of them will collapse, die. Look at this guy where they call untouchable. And I listened to that video. The guy, they get BP. If you say, if maybe untouchable battalize him, saw in his house, as you demolish his house, the guy may just faint and die. And if untouchable is not a celebrity, people will not know. Governor Peter Mba, do you think that all those people that you demolish their houses, those people that just, because if you demolish your house, they die, they just meme like that? Do you think Obalanda and Nina or abroad, do you think that it will leave you? Don't you know that you are the one that slaughtered them? All those people that they have not just died because you demolished their house. Do you think that you are innocent? Do you think that your hand now Akagabala Kobala. Do you think that Akagabala Kobala? Governor Peter Mba, do you think that your hand have never committed fraud now? Do you know how many of them that BP will be slaughtered? Do you know how many of them will collapse and die? Does your hand, and all these Enugu state people, all the Enugu Nina and the Enugu state Nina, join in hand doing their Igbo brothers this thing in Enugu state. Do you think Akona commit broad? Akona commit Gobala? Unechano Obala, be Hoje Gugu. Obala, you fight it. No. It's to fight your generation. It will fight your generation, and it will fight your family. Even though if you leave this world, it will fight your generation. Somebody sweat. Do you know the cry? Imakwanda nebe. Imakwanda nebe. Governor Peter Mba. Imakwanda nebe. Anda ina kutusu no fena Enugu State. Imakwa nebe na nebe akwa. Do you think that God will leave you because you are a governor? Akwanda nebe nebe akwa na sude nebe akwa na akpoku Chineke. If you never fail because of the authority as a governor, you are doing them those things. You think that God who created heaven and earth will leave you, that you will go free. You will not go free. That is same God that created heaven and earth. That is same God that judge the wickedness will judge you. We have many wicked leaders in this tiny land. Leaders that are not leaders that value money. Galaya their citizens, Galaya their people. They love money more than the people and our governor. But you people supposed to love people under our governor more than money. Governor Peter Mba, obo ne follow Enugu State nanya, obo ne follow umunnego ndibo nanya, kaliego. You will not come to demolish those houses. Igabia, mala the solution of everything. But you do it because you love money more than human being. That is a problem I'm having with Nigerian politicians. 99 Nigerian politicians love money more than their citizens. That is the reason why they are sponsoring those Boko and the Fulani herdsmen that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria. They love money more than human beings. Vampires in a human form. But God Almighty that created heaven and earth will start from now to judging all the Igbo politicians that are wicked. Chineke gebido judge one by one. Chineke kelenigon gebido judge all of you one by one. I'm not happy to see my brothers and my sisters crying. I'm not happy to see them crying. You think that nobody will talk to you, that you do whatever you want to do. God Almighty that created heaven and earth will judge you by himself. God Almighty will send his angel to judge you. Do you think that you go free? Aquama widows, and you call yourself a Christian. What kind of Christianity are you practicing? Governor Peter Mba, the governor of Enugu State, tell me the kind of Christianity are you practicing? Christianity, tell me. What the kind of Christianity in a practice? Upon now, church in the police on there, I will rebuke you for the front of the church. I'm not afraid of your money. I'm not afraid of your political power. What is can take that your money out? Go and make peace. That is what God said. Go and make peace with all those people before you come back to do Thanksgiving in the church. Do you know how many people that you have equals go ban, and tomorrow night we come do Thanksgiving in the church? Do you think that God will receive that Thanksgiving? You people don't follow the commandment of God, but you people follow the commandment of human being. Go and make peace with them. Imelalo, governor Peter Imelalo. I will tell you. Imeladroma. Biana church in the preach come rebuke Kogo, Ibulego my escort go see house. Do you think that all the prophets are the same? Do you think that all the prophets are the same? Do you think that all the ministers of God are the same? I will not be staying, see my brothers and my sisters be crying. Why will I keep quiet? Why will I keep quiet? Tomorrow those people will come in and pay tithe and offering to me, sowing seed as a man of God to them. Now I will see God for persecuting them. I will not come out to defend them. I will just keep silent. If I do it, God will judge me. I will speak up to defend them because they are my shepherd. Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom. Share this message and make sure that you send this message to the governor of Enugu State.